Okay, so I'm just long now on pound dollar. Number of positions in here, and we'll look to come up to the previous high, see how we go. But I'm up about altogether about 1.5 standard lots. So let's see what happens. We should get there quite quickly, I think, in the next half an hour. So let's wait and see how this trade plays out. Okay, so we're in profit already. So we're up a number of pips on our pound positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 different positions. And as we start coming up to this trend line, I'll start taking some of these positions out, and I'll hold some for a bit higher. On the higher time frame, it's possible that we actually we come up 100 or so pips tonight. Being Monday, well, Monday night in New Zealand, but Monday morning in the UK. So let's wait for a push up into this line, and then I'll start to take out some of these profits. So let's come back shortly, and I'll be looking to start taking out at around about plus 13 to plus 15. Okay, we're up about 70 pips, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Let's just come up and hit that trend line, and I'll start taking some of these out, maybe 12, 13 pips. So let's just get a little bit higher and see how we go. Almost there. Okay, so we're pretty close. I'm just going to take out 40 pips here on these. So that's about yeah, so almost a standard lot's worth. And what I'm going to do now is just bring up my stop, so now I can't lose. So those first 4 positions were 8 mini lots. So I'm actually going to leave these last 3 for a move higher up. I'm actually going to look for 100 pips plus. Okay, perfect timing. We'll get a bit of reaction at the top there. And look at that, we're starting to head down. So now, even with my stops for these last 3 small positions of 30,000, I can't lose. So I end up winning 50,000 worth of the trade, regardless of how the trade goes. So here, when we look at the higher time frame, we can see that we are possibly breaking an even bigger trend line from the high of last week. And so, you know, if we get a move through there, then it's possible that we actually could be moving quite a lot higher. And so, as you can see, my last take profit is up about 130 pips from where we are now. So it definitely looks like we've been consolidating down at this base here since the close of last week, and we failed to move lower. So we're still up 30 pips on the last position. We've banked 40 already, so there they are, 40 pips banked, and hoping to make a lot more up here. The first place we'll stop is this previous high at about the R1 and this place of resistance, and then the next place we'll be pausing will be actually up in this region here close to the R2. So let's see if we can get a move through that, and if we do, then we'll be looking close to 120 pips for the day, and maybe into the middle of the week. Okay guys, have an amazing trading week. Keep your risks small, and let's see what we can take out of the market this coming week.